Yeah, I mean, we've been sending these guys invites and stuff, and they ain't joining. So, we got this guy's decided to play something else because they ain't gonna join. This guy's offline for the team, so he's supposed to be playing. He's offline, and this guy's online. He joined and he left, and then he sent us an invite, but we're supposed to send an invite. But this guy is playing East First West. I think he was playing earlier. East First West on Xbox Live. I mean, none of them are in here. It's 12:13. And this guy, he's not even on his friends list yet, so let's play. I told him maybe we'll play something else because we were waiting for this team, but this guy's offline, so we ain't gonna be able to play. He ain't gonna make it. He ain't appearing offline or anything. We already sent him invites. They said that he'd be on in a little bit or something and we're going to the party. But he's not on. I mean, there's 1 minute left until he's supposed to do something. So, I mean, if anything, just this motherfucker. I'll be on the mic in a second. Oh, so he sent me an invite. Why did he send me an invite? I'll see you one. No, not online. Have you joined my game? And one of your guys is offline. How do you expect to play with one guy? Both of our guys are on and ready, but and now he's in the menus, but this guy's not online. Offline for an hour. And it's 12:15. You know, this guy's still offline. He isn't joined or anything.